This house does not try to disappear into the forest. It does something else. It appears quietly, like three light volumes among dark trunks, pine shadows, and vegetation. This is Casa Villa Robles in Argentina. The house has about 133 square meters. It is not a large house, and it does not try to feel monumental either. Its strength lies in a simple decision, using light, solid volumes to create contrast within a dense landscape. The place is marked by a pine forest, vertical trunks, deep shadows, natural ground, low vegetation. Instead of copying these dark colors, the house chooses a brighter presence. It stands out, but without feeling aggressive. It is organized into 3 volumes. This division helps break down the scale of the house and creates a calmer composition within the site. It does not appear as a single block. It feels formed by blocks placed among the trees. Wood appears as an important counterpoint. It warms the entry points, the openings, and the interiors. From the outside, the volumes are lighter, harder, and quieter. Inside, the wood brings the house closer to a domestic scale. The interiors follow this more restrained logic. They don't seem to want to compete with the forest. The architecture creates a simple base for the light, the wood, and the filtered views to appear more clearly. The openings are controlled. The house does not open completely with large sheets of glass on every side. It chooses certain frames. Each opening cuts out a piece of the forest and brings that presence inside. The atmosphere here is more protected, more withdrawn. The house does not work like a showcase for the landscape. It seems more interested in observing the forest in parts: a trunk, a shadow, a piece of sky, a green mass. The light cladding is one of the most important decisions. It wraps the house like a rough texture. It is not a smooth and perfect surface. It has shadow, it has relief, and this allows the facade to connect better with the texture of the surrounding trunks. During the day, the forest changes the appearance of the house. Light passes through the pines, shadows from the branches fall across the light surfaces, and the volumes become almost like screens, receiving the presence of the trees. This may be the most beautiful part. The house does not camouflage itself in the landscape. It lets the landscape draw over it. The movement is not in the form of the architecture. It is in the light, in the shadows, in time. The strength of Casa Villa Robles is this clarity. 3 volumes, a light, rough skin, precise openings, wood for warmth, and the forest as an element that changes the house throughout the day. The more discreet point is that it has no immediately spectacular gesture. For anyone expecting an iconic form, it may seem too simple, but this simplicity is part of the idea. The house does not try to shout. It works with contrast, texture, and atmosphere. Casa Villa Robles is a house about quiet presence. It does not hide among the pines. It also does not try to dominate the forest. It appears as a light piece in the middle of the shadows, allowing the light, the trunks, and time to complete the architecture.